nothing happens overnight. There is a gradual process. Nature tells us this whole universe is evolutionary in nature. Always evolution is taking place. There are nothing static in the world. Change is the only stable thing in the world. And the poet says, Sabat ik tagayyur ko hai zamane mein. Change has to take place. What this tells us, what this phenomenon or scenario asks from us. Are you prepared for the change? Can you visualize the change? Can you plan with reference to change in advance? Are you developing your abilities and potentials? If you are, then you are going to live in the future. Otherwise, you are throwing yourself into the oblivion. You will be part of the wind and gone. This is the history of man. This is the history of civilizations. Who can visualize in the future, who can look into the future, who can see the coming events, because they know coming events cast their shadows long before. Try to look and find, identify, and see those shadows which are going to prevail upon you. The dark skies could be there in the future, but you have to prepare yourself to live in those dark skies. With this understanding, with this mindset, and with this hope that there is always a silver lining in the cloud. That should be your motto. That should be your belief, a firm belief. Believe silver lining. Never forget the silver lining. This is the lesson of life. Life is a wonderful thing. This wonderful life is in your own hands. You are the maker of that. Nobody will make for you. This battle of life will have to be fought single-handedly by you. No near and dear will come near to you. You have to fight this battle all alone. You have to learn it. Be strong, develop yourself. This is your right. You are rather duty bound by the God Almighty. The fortune favors the strong. The fortune favors the skilled. Fortune favors the expert. The fortune favors the able and the capable person. Why not to develop the ability and the capability? We waste a lot of time daily. My dear fellows, try to find out the time wasters. Just brush them aside from your life. Consume that time constructively, positively. If your time is being spent with reference to the target or goal fixed in front of you, you are moving in the right direction. But if you haven't fixed any target and goal, the highest goal, the prestigious goal, which is going to make you distinguished in the society and from the rest of the lot, you will be nowhere. You should be a directed personality. And again, learn one thing. This journey will never be a smooth sailing journey. There will be ups and downs. There will be so many setbacks. You will be committing mistakes, blunders. This happens with everybody, the richest man of the world or the successful man of the world, or even the greatest laureates, Nobel laureates of the world. This happens. Consider this thing a normal, usual event, these setbacks. Take them as stepping stone towards your destination because they are the real arrows, the right arrows which direct you the right direction in which way you have to move when you commit a mistake or you commit an error. Therefore, welcome the mistakes. If you spend your life just for one reason that I should not commit any mistake, you will be nowhere, gentlemen. Don't be afraid of mistakes. Try to overcome of those. These mistakes then become the stepping stones to move forward. Why fortunes knock the door of other people? Why not your own door? God has never blocked any door and asked all the fortunes, don't go toward the middle class people. Always move toward the rich people. No. This fortune goes and knocks those doors who are willing, accepting, who are making it a target, who wish them from the core of their heart. There is a burning desire in their body to move forward and advance in the society. The passionate desire. The sleepless nights for those thoughts. getting early in the morning to do certain jobs, certain tasks which are part of that goal and target, and daily monitoring yourself before going to bed. How much time I devoted to get my task done, and how much I have become near to my destination today. Last word, never compromise with the bad people, with the bad demands. Never, never. Those people who are fighting with your nation, doing against your country, against the humanity, just for the sake of self. Stand up as one man. Tell them sorry in a very politely manner. Tell them I have a different journey, different path to move on. I can't be part of your journey. Fight with the criminals. If you really want to make this globe, this country, this society a worth living abode, a worth living society,